So once again, I'm in our 9 Lit course in modules. And our first graded assignment is here, the 9 Lit CW, which stands for Coursework About Me 8.8. I'm going to click that link to open the assignment now. Now that I've opened the assignment, I will scroll all the way down to the bottom of the assignment to see the rubric. Rubrics are such important information for us as students because it will tell us exactly how an assignment will be graded. So I see on this rubric that most of my grade will come from completing the task. In fact, I'll earn 80 points if all of the questions have been answered satisfactorily. But when I scroll down, I see that there's also a s an area for writing. Okay, so the writing on this assignment is worth 20 points. And if I answer all of my questions in complete sentences, I will earn 20 points for this assignment. 20 points of this grade will come from writing. So be sure to take our time and answer in those complete sentences.